Hello, it's Rachel and today I'm creating an art journal page. I'm working in my Prima A5 mixed media book, and here I'm beginning my background using distress ink in frayed burlap. I'm applying this to my page using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam, and I'm starting at the edges and working it in towards the centre. Next, I'm taking a Tim Holtz Harlequin stencil and I'm applying this to the background, again using a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam and the same colour ink. This is the distress ink in frayed burlap. Now I'm going to add some stamping to my page. For this I've chosen a background stamp by Indigo Blue and I'm stamping this using archival ink in potting soil. This is a stamp by Cherry Pie. I'm stamping this using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, and this is going to form a border around my page. For the focal image on my page, I've chosen a stamp by Indigo Blue from a stamp set called Sarah's Choice. I'm using archival ink in Geranium and I'm using a stamp positioner to enable me to place the image in the centre of my journal page. Now I'm adding an additional stamp to the focal point on my page. This is from the same stamp set and it is a text stamp that says the word art. I've stamped this using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black. To develop the border around the focal image, I've chosen to use some washi tape. This is just some tape that I found on eBay several years ago, and I'm placing this in several torn strips around the page. To create further interest in the page and balance the colours, I've chosen a stamp set by Tim Holtz. This is called Bitty Grunge, and from this set I've chosen a distressed star, and I'm choosing to stamp this using the same archival link as the centre focal image, and that would be Archival's Geranium. Now I've chosen to add some spatters to my page. For this I've chosen my Itty Bitty background stamp from Stampin' Up. I'm using this with VersaFine ink in Onyx Black, randomly around the page, and then I also choose to edge my page with the same ink and a piece of Ranger cut and dry foam. And that last step completes today's project. I hope you enjoyed watching. As always, there is a link in the video description to the full product list as well as my social media sites.